Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure cap rate calculations using calculator apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred calculator app on your device. If your app has a search function, type in investment or real estate to find a cap rate calculator. Once you locate the cap rate calculator, tap to open it. Next, familiarize yourself with the input fields available. You will typically see fields for the property price, annual rental income, and operating expenses. Start by entering the total purchase price of the property in the designated field. Next, input the annual rental income generated from the property. This should include all sources of income, such as rent from tenants. Next, enter the annual operating expenses, which can include maintenance, property management fees, and taxes. After filling in these fields, look for the Calculate button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the Calculate button to generate the cap rate. The app will process your inputs and display the cap rate as a percentage. Review the calculated cap rate to assess the investment potential of the property. If needed, adjust the figures to see how different price points or income levels impact the cap rate. Make sure to note the cap rate for future reference or comparison purposes. Repeat this process for any additional properties you are evaluating. This method allows for quick and efficient analysis on the go. With practice, calculating cap rates using a calculator app will become a valuable skill in your real estate investment toolkit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.